Advocates of a monetary rule recommended increasing the money supply at a rate that is equal to the rate of increase in which of the following? So in this question, we're asked to highlight what the advocates of a monetary rule recommend increasing the money supply at. So, A, price level. This is incorrect because increasing the money supply at a rate equal to price level wouldn't make sense, as increasing the money supply would increase the price level, and thus that would cause a sort of loop that would lead to an almost infinite increase in money supply. So A is incorrect. B, unemployment rate. This is incorrect because the unemployment rate typically stays around a set percentage level, and increasing the money supply when the unemployment rate is high wouldn't make sense either, because this would mean that there would be a great deal of inflation, and inflation isn't good for the economy. So B is incorrect. C, level of exports. This is incorrect because level of exports doesn't capture the whole economy of a country. So increasing the money supply according to the level of exports wouldn't make sense here. And D is incorrect for the same reason, because the level of imports isn't a correct measure of the whole economy of a country. So D is incorrect. E, long run real gross domestic product. This is the correct answer, primarily because of demand pull inflation. If the money supply increases at a rate faster than the production of the country, that means that there's more money chasing fewer goods, which leads to inflation. But if there's the money supply is increasing at a rate less than the rate at which gross domestic product is produced, then there's deflation, which is also bad for the economy. But producing at a rate equal to the long-run real gross domestic product counters both deflation and inflation. So E is the correct answer.